good boy. Luke's excited. He's very happy to be out here walking. He's like, thank you, Mama. Sun gazing. This is one thing that charges your battery. Thank you. There's a bunch of birds sitting right there on top of that house. See all the birds right there? See all the birds right there? And Lily keeps pulling my arm. They're enjoying the sunrise, y'all. Look. There's the sun rising right there. And there's the birds on top of this house. Whoa, Lily, she keeps pulling my arm. They're watching. They're enjoying the sunrise. You know what this makes me think of? This makes me think of City of Angels, where the angels watch the sunrise and the sunset. Nice. The sunrise and the sunset are very spiritual and healing moments to experience, and so it's something to think about and remember. Yeah, these moments in the AM and PM, when the sun's arriving and when it's departing or rising and setting, whatever you want to say, it's a very spiritual and healing moment that people forget about, and I do as well. Like, so I'm reminding myself, and I'm reminding y'all, like, these are really important moments, very spiritual. If the birds like it, and look, if it's important to them and it's natural to do this. And then I remember that little clip from City of Angels. It's like, maybe we should take a page from their book. Look at how cool that is. That is so freaking cool. This is healing the birds.